Okay, so here's our updates for our apps this week. Here we are at the main homepage. We reformatted it to make the UI appear more accessible for users. We still have all the different buttons. We added a messaging button here, but at the moment it doesn't actually do anything. We redesigned the headers, that way the same header would be accessible across each part of the app. We have a menu that doesn't actually do anything, it just sends an alert to show that we are working on it, to include an actual menu that can be redirect the user to their profile settings, etc. Still have a login here. If we go ahead and log in real quick, give me 1 second. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and log in. We're trying to implement the user logging into their specific profile into certain parts of the app. So that way, like if we were to go to one of these pages and hit the back button, it would actually redirect them to this page where they're logged in. There are a couple things that do change when you log in. So there's a profile page, doesn't have anything yet. We're currently working on that for this next week. But see, if you hit back from profile, it actually takes you back to a page where you have to log back in, which isn't what we want it to do. We want to make sure that the user, once they log in, they're logged in until they decide that they close the app or log out from the app. So we're currently working on that. For this next week, we're also going to be working on the database and implementing that into our app with all the different files and APIs that we want to use to scrape information from the internet, whether it's from one of UCF's many clickable links on their website or something else. But that's what we're going to be working on for next week. Other than that, that is all for this week, and we will be back next week.